fix a Roblox avatar item not applying in-game. So to fix a Roblox avatar item not applying in-game, what you can do is open the in-game menu by tapping the Roblox logo icon, then select reset character and then confirm. This forces the game server to fetch your newest avatar data. Now the next thing what you can do is leave the game completely and join a brand new server or a different experience, as the current server may be lagging or failing to sync with Roblox web APIs. Now the next what you can do is resave the outfit. Just open the Roblox app on your device, then tap the main menu in the top left corner. Now tap on your name or avatar, then tap edit appearance, then select edit avatar. Now explicitly save your look as a new outfit or hit update on an existing one rather than just equipping the single item. Now the next thing what you can do is unequip the stubborn item, save the changes, close the editor and then go back into re-equip it. Also keep in mind that older or specific R6 only games do not support layered clothing, 3D or dynamic heads or certain accessory packages which will cause items to quietly vanish. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.